education and income. Since that index began in 1990, Iran has been among those making the fastest progress. Indeed, we measure back to 1980, the progress has been very fast for Iran, with average annual Human Development Index growth rates of around 1.3% compared to a global average movement of around 0.69. When we look at the human stories behind such numbers, we see that for every 100,000 live births here in Iran, 99.99% of women live to raise their children. Life expectancy today is more than 20 years higher than it was in 1980. And many more people are able to attain higher education. I'm particularly pleased to see that the literacy rate for girls in Iran is over 90%. And I think it's important on United Nations Day to acknowledge these very positive human development achievements. Of course, development challenges still remain, as they do for many, not least in youth unemployment and on the impact of environmental degradation and climate change, particularly on remote and economically vulnerable communities. These and ongoing inequalities, including between rich and poor, will need continued attention and support to ensure that all the people of Iran can fully achieve their development potential and aspirations. And meeting with key ministries yesterday, I can see that this is very much top of the agenda. The United Nations Development System agencies stand ready to deepen their partnerships in addressing these and other development challenges. Every country in our world faces challenges which are trans-border in nature, as we strive to manage the global commons equitably and respond to crises and issues which may have their origins far away from our own lands. Climate change impacts, the allocation of natural resources, refugee movements, and trafficking of people and drugs are just a few of those. The United Nations Development System, with its extensive reach, presence and global networks, exists to support countries to address these challenges individually and collectively. UNDP alone has programming in 177 countries and territories, working in all those places to support development. Sharing experiences of success and innovation in development and working to support South-South and triangular cooperation are central to what we do. And we fully appreciate that Iran has a great wealth of knowledge and expertise which other countries benefit from knowing about, including on disaster response, environmental protection, primary health care and education. So in conclusion, let me say that Iran can count on the long-standing and close partnership it has with the UN development system as this country continues to work towards achieving ever higher human development and improving the lives of all its people. And once again, it's a pleasure to be able to come here and talk in this capacity on United Nations Day this year here in Tehran. Thank you.